in this week's task, which is that of the proof promoting your Windows Server virtual machine to domain controller. The instruction here is to prepare a visual manager, as you can see on the dashboard, and ensure that the Windows Server is running in Azure. You can confirm, you can see that mine is running, and we're asked to promote your server to the domain controller. So by doing this, we need to connect to our remote desktop to make those changes. So my remote desktop, I'm working on it. I'll click on the download already file and click on keep open. So I'm going to input my password I created initially for my virtual machine. Take that. Okay. My remote desktop is connected, as you can see here. So it was actually on initially. We'll open the service manager to make those changes we talked initially. I'm going to click on service manager is open. I'm going to click on add rows and features. Then I continue with the configuration. Click on next, install type. The role based or feature based installation is okay. On next. Choosing the selected server for the server, which is my virtual machine. This is what I'm choosing. Then we're asked to select the Active Directory domain services. I already did this step, but I don't think I can effect changes on this. But if you click on this and click on next, it will bring a pop-up where you confirm. You click on next to continue. So doing this, then the features, I don't think there's any changes here. Anything, I'll click on next. As you can see here, the next button is not working, so I'll need to choose any of this because I already did this initially. So I'll need to choose any of this to make sure that the next button is working. So I'll restart the destination server automatically if required. I already did this step, so to avoid issues, I'm gonna untick this, and I'll show you how I restarted my machine. So after all of this, you confirm, then you install. After the installation is complete, you need to come back to your server. I need to come back to my server and restart the server. Here, I'll click on restart server. Yes, I can still do this remotely. Can do this on the remote desktop, but since I've done this already, I'm doing this here, so you can see the changes I made. So wait for this to restart. So you can see, show me start. So after this changes is complete, we will need to reconnect as the domain administrator. By doing this, we're instructed to add the ensign slash our username, our virtual machine username. Okay, the virtual machine has been restarted successfully. So I'll click on connect to connect back to the remote desktop. I can still download this again, but already I had a copy I downloaded initially. So opening up this. Okay, so the password option is out, but you can make the changes for the username here. So I'll need to click on more choices, use the different accounts, then I can add the ensign slash username, which is Andre Boniface. Instructed. Now input my password I created initially for the virtual machine. So now I am signed in as the domain controller, and to verify that this has worked, I'm going to use the task manager option, which is the GUI option, to confirm this. So I'll click on taskbar, click on task manager. I can still search the task manager on the search icon here, but I think this other way is easier for me. So I'll click on user, and here is the confirmation that domain controller, I'm logged in as the domain administrator. Since this one is confirmed, I also use the CLI method, which is the PowerShell method, to confirm. PowerShell is opened, and I'll type in who am I. As you can see here, Boniface235 slash Andre Boniface, which is my virtual machine username, and my domain administrator username is showing here. It has confirmed that I am logged in as the domain administrator as instructed. So since I've made these changes and I've confirmed that everything is working, I'd like to stop my virtual machine in this